Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John. Today, we're going to be going over 2 more sabers for Mark. This is a Saber Forge, yes, yet another Saber Forge, Templar. And man, is it so cool. Every time I do a Saber Forge install, I just fall in love with it. I don't know, I can't help myself. Maybe secretly there's like a Saber Forge, Sabers Forever relationship. There's not. But this is really neat. And the other one on the bench, unfortunately, is an Ultrasabers. But man, this is so loud. They're both really loud. It's kind of obnoxious. So why don't we just jump right in, and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so we're going to try something new today. I am going to do a face cam, and we're going to see how that goes. If it's super creepy and you hate it, I'll never do it again. But leave in the comments what you think, and if you love it, then maybe I'll just figure out how to actually do this the right way. But for now, this is going to do. So let's jump into the Sabers. This first one is, this is a commission for my buddy Mark. Mark does the things. I've been talking about him a lot on the channel lately. This is a Saber Forge Templar, and this is an Ultrasabers. I have no idea what it's called. It's probably like a V3 or something. I don't know. It's really old. But yeah, essentially, Mark loves both of these sabers, and he decided that he wanted to give them a proper install. I am not even joking when I tell you that the install job on this specifically was so laughably bad. I don't know why or how it ever actually worked. So, not going to get into that. But I will get into that I totally scrapped both of the Sabers, and I just gave them proper dropout chassis. Well, this one did. But let's open up the Saber Forge. And mainly what I would like to focus on is that these chassis were designed by me and printed here in my studio. And if you are looking to have any type of Saber installed, and you just need a chassis that holds the things and that it doesn't exist, then I can help you out with that. These are 2 really different Sabers. This only opens at the bottom. This one opens in the middle. So this was able to support a static chassis, and that's honestly, for a crossguard, I don't think I would really want to use a quick connect system. So for this one, the chassis comes straight up. It's got enough openings to feed wires through to the soundboard and for the switches to hold the chassis in place. And it's sturdy, looks great, simple, straightforward. And you have easy access to the USB and the micro SD card. You have your 18650, which is easy enough to get out. Leaf spring and keystone battery tabs. This is positive towards the emitter. You have a high amp kill switch, a 28mm speaker, and this has 3 stock NPXL V3s in it. Kind of forgot you were here. There are 3 stock NPXL V3s in this, and the overall Saber has just a really great feel to it. It's small, honestly. That's my favorite thing, and it made it a little bit challenging to sneak everything in there. But yeah, when you want to turn it on, boop, really freaking loud. Let me tell you. This tightens up nice and aligns nicely on the back. And you have your top is your power and your bottom is your auxiliary. And if you were to hold this upside down, you actually get a delayed ignition. So now's a good time to introduce. I have these. These are kind of cool. So I had to make little blades for Mark. And I know when I put these in the first time, I used the same hole. So all these Saber Forge and Ultrasabers hilts use 2mm Allen keys to tighten their blades. Where is my screw hole dent? There it is. And I'm just basically, by looking for the screw where the screw was previously on the blade, I'm aligning the faces of the NeoPixel strips with the face of the crossguard. It doesn't really make sense for it to line up this way, you know, with the two sides facing the way the blade is going, because you're going to get this visible line. But where is my demo blade? Oh, geez, right here. Okay. Throw this in. So many blades. And then boop. So this has dual ignition mode. This is very loud. This has dual ignition mode, so meaning if you hold it upside down, you'll get the delayed ignition. If you hold it right way up, all on at the same time. Only the main blade will react to clashes and have the flash on ignition and stuff. All the ignitions will just be, there's no like flashing or anything. So
Ray Skywalker.
Pretty cool. Mark actually owns a bunch of fonts, so I'm glad I get to show these off.
Anakin.
These are all from Kyberphonic.
Master Window!
Crispity.
This is not Kyberphonic. This is grayscale fonts.
Mario Kart 8!
This is Kyberphonic.
Oh yeah!
I'm sorry if your ears are bleeding after that. And then I made a custom Christmas font, which you're not really going to be able to tell too well on camera. Maybe you can. Yeah, you can see it. But it scrolls white and red when you move it, which is kind of fun. And then these two just alternate red and green. It's funny. Mark loves it. He uses it during the holiday, so you'll probably see some videos of that.
Battery level.
And then battery level displays on the blade. The first font on here is Unlight Stable by Kyberphonic. It's like a light side unstable lightsaber, so I figured that would be cool. This saber kind of looks like it could be dark side or light side. And then, okay, I'm already jumping into this one. So this one, you have the removable battery, you have a rotary connector, a 28mm bass speaker, Proffi V3, a high amp kill switch. The rotary connector meets in here near the bottom, and then you have a single 12mm switch and a stock NPXL, which you cannot see, V3 in there. So turn this on. That is all right. And then this is actually, you might be wondering, why is there this brass piece sticking out? Well, there's brass all the way to the bottom to counterweight this saber. Mark uses this for a lot of flow stuff, and it's really cool. You should check it out if you haven't. I mean, he's actually kind of just blown up on YouTube with a video that's at like 18 million views at the time of recording this video. And like over 2 or 3 days just jumped to like 60,000 followers. Like, congratulations, Mark. Holy crap. It's freaking awesome. If you don't follow him, go check him out. His shorts are sick. And yeah. So this one, real easy. Oh yeah. And because Mark uses this for flow stuff, there's no gestures on any of these sabers. But this one's really straightforward. You just drop the chassis in with the power switched on and the battery in the right way, and you don't put it speaker first, you're going to be good. That seems like a lot of rules, but It's not really. So yeah, that basically does it for these sabers. They don't have deep sleep, so you'll have to actually put them into a deep sleep on your own by switching the kill switch. Let's do that. So this, I showed you it, turning it on. Now this is turning it off. Boop. Put this back on. Now the power is off. And then for this guy, all right. That's that. So let's wrap the video here. See you over there. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more cool installs just like this. And if you are looking to get a Saber installed, custom job, there's no chassis available, you just need something that's, gonna just be very user-friendly, I can help you out. Please do not hesitate to reach out at john@sabersforever.com. I'll be happy to get back to you to let you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. And you don't have to worry about a thing, because I'll take care of it all. I can print and model everything here in the studio. If you have KR Sabers products or any type of Saber, again, I'm happy to help in any way, shape, or form. My website on sabersforever.com has a ready-to-ship section along with KR Sabers install commissions and a made-to-order section. So there's plenty for you to peruse at. Please check it out, sabersforever.com. I will be uploading some more stuff to the ready-to-ship section very soon, so definitely stay tuned because there's some big ones coming. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the content. Please, again, like and subscribe. It'll help the channel out a lot. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. So until the next time, may the Force be with you.